Nicholas Bubeck has become a young entrepreneur at just 6 years old, starting his own business while being stuck at home due to the coronavirus pandemic.
My mom told me to start a business, and she bought a huge box of crafts. And I made one plane. And then my baby brother tried to take it away. So then I made one for him. Then a light bulb came on, and I said, hey, my business should be selling craft planes.
The simple arts and crafts project turned into Nicholas creating and selling homemade airplanes through his company website called Creations by Nicholas.
Every time he gets an order, I tell him, and he lights up. He wants to know who it's from, where they live, what they ordered, what color plane they want.
The planes can be purchased, assembled, or in a do-it-yourself kit that includes all the materials needed to create the toy.
I love planes because they let you travel. And right now, during this coronavirus, I can't go. So that's why I started making my planes so people can imagine they're on a plane going anywhere they want to.
He's also paying it forward. After spending the first part of his life in NICU as a baby, Nicholas is donating $1 from every plane to the Triple Heart Foundation, a nonprofit organization supporting families with infants in neonatal intensive care. And the Arizona native also established the Kits for Kids program, which sends free plane kits to any child personally impacted by the coronavirus.
I love that, while he's doing something to put some money in his piggy bank, he's also, putting it towards a good cause.
Ashley Dvorkin, Fox News.